Okay, welcome back to this tutorial. I said in the previous tutorial, I said we're gonna be learning. Our next tutorial now is gonna be on basic tools. You understand? Like I said in the previous tutorial, and in this tutorial, we're gonna be learning the basic tools of the Photoshop. The basic tools of the Photoshop. We are taking this, we are taking this from the grassroots for those people that actually want to know the rudiments of the Photoshop. And it's actually, some of the designer they actually run away from this grassroots, and it's very important on learning the grassroots. I mean the origin and then the fundamental of the Photoshop. Okay, now in the previous video we created a new project and we can see it on the screen, displaying. But now we're going to be analyzing the basic tools, of which I'll be going over the basic tools you will need to know to get started on Photoshop. And then this is we have the first one here at the sidebar, at the left bar. We have the move tools. What is the move tools? The move tools is actually used to move the items around the workspace or around the document you've created. Is what is used to move the items around the what? Around the items. Sorry. And then we also have the Macro. We have the Macro tools. This can be used to make the selections. This can be used to make the selections, and there are also four different types of these macro tools. Like I said, if you right click, you're going to see the extensions. We have the rectangle, the rectangular. The rectangular is actually used to make a rectangle selections. And then we also have the elliptical. Elliptical is also used to make an elliptical selections. And we also have the single column. The single column, this will make a column selections. And we also have the single row. Single row, this will make a row selection. This will make a row selections. And then let's go to the next one. We have the next one here. The next one says which is a laser. Then we have the laser here, and these laser tools can also be used to make a selection as well, to make a selections. And there are also three different types of the laser. We can see when you click on the right, click on your mouse, you can see here we have the laser tools. We have the polygonal tools. You understand? This will make a selections with lines. And we also have a magnetic laser tools. This will make a selections by shaping onto the objects. By shaping onto the object. You can see by shaping onto the object. So it's going to magnetize to the object that you've actually selected, like that and like that. Okay. Now, sorry. Now let's go to the next one. On the next one here, we have the quick selections. These quick selections, uh, these tools can be used to make a selections of objects by painting on them with an adjustment brush. That is the quick selections. You understand? We also have the crop. We don't want to waste the time. We also have the crop. You can see the crop here. You can extend, you can reduce, you can move it like this with your left. You hold on the left click on the mouse, then with the moving uh, cursor, And also we can see that the crop tools can be used to trim and images. It is used to trim and images. And also we have we have this the next one. Sorry, I'm not cropping. Don't crop. Yeah, I'm not cropping. The next one is the next one now. Okay, sorry. Okay, now the next one we have the eyedropper. We have the eyedropper. Eyedropper is also a tools which you can use to also draw and to make some to draw some arrows in the object you have selected. And then we also have what else again that we have? We have the spot healings. The spot healings is actually used to heal the spots on the images or on the photo. Like I said, we also have extensions. They have the different brush. We have the spot healing brush tools. We have the healing brush tools. We have the patch tools. We have the content aware move tools. We have the red eye tools, and so on and so forth. And then we also have the brush tools. We also have the brush tools. The brush tools can be used to erase. The brush tools can be used to paint uh, a brush stroke. A brush stroke. It can use to be paint a brush stroke. And moving to the next one, we have the clone stamp. The clone stamp here, it's the clone stamp here is also used uh, to clone some objects in the course of designing. And we also have an history. We also have an history brush. This brush is can be also used to paint some stroke as well. To paint some stroke. And then moving to the next one, we have the eraser. We have the eraser. These tools can be used to erase the pixels of an images. So I'm just trying to analyze these things for us for the basic, understand? And this can be is going to be an helpful for us. And moving to the next one, we have the gradients. We have the gradient. These gradient tools can be used to make a straight line or radiant or angle reflected or a diamond blend between the colors. That is what they use it for. You understand? So they use it for the straight line, the radial, the angle, the reflected, and diamond blends between the colors. Understand? So as time go by, you're still gonna see how those tools can be used as well. We have the blur tools as well. We use it to blur and images, the places that you actually want to be blurred. They use it to blur the um, tools. Moving to the next one, we have uh, I'm sorry for that. We have dodge tools. We have the dodge tools here and bond tools. Then moving to the next one, because of our time, we have the pen. We have the pen. These tools can be used to create a smooth edge path. You can use it. You can use the free form, yeah, pen to create the patch free-handed. Yeah, that is what they use the this one for. And we also have the type type tools. This tool can be can be used to create a text box which can be used to type text into. I believe you are getting the informations on the some of the basic tools that we're going to be using on this tutorial. And also moving to the next one, we have the shape tools. Yeah, this is the shape tools. We have the shape tools. These shape tools can be used to create a shapes. Can be used to create the shapes. And there are 6 different types of shapes tools, which are we have right click on the mouse, right click. We have rectangle. We have the rounded rectangle, we have the ellipse tools, we have the polygon tools, and we have the line, we have the custom shapes. These are what? These are very important tools, basic tools that we're going to be using, and you need to understand as you journey into the Photoshop. Okay, now moving to the next one is hand tools. Hand tools. These tools can be used to move an images within the window. Yeah, can be used to move the images within the window. Then moving to the next one, we have zoom. We have the zoom tools. You can use it to zoom. We have the minus. When you see a minus like this, that means you use it to reduce. But when you go to this place at the top here and you click on the to the plus, that means you want to increase. You can see it's increasing. You can see it's increasing. Now you want to reduce back to the you can be using it. You can see that it's decreasing, it's decreasing, it's decreasing, and that is just the tutorial on the basic tools that we're going to be using for this as you're learning uh, the fundamental of the Photoshop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the more and relevant learning. So stay tuned to the next tutorial, and the next tutorial is going to be the layers, groups, and guides. That is the next tutorial: the layers, groups, and guides. Thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely day. I love you guys. Bye.